What's up? I got Atlas in the shop today. This is my 99 Grand Cherokee that I found abandoned in a field for 5 years. I've been driving it for a year now, almost, here and there. And lately, it left me stranded. I believe we have I have a intermittent no start issue where it'll start up fine, I'll drive it somewhere, go to the store, come out of the store, it'll just crank, no start. It might spit and sputter. So I believe it's going to be the crank position sensor. So first things first, we're going to change this out. Okay, so this sensor is located way behind the engine. Let's see if we can get it in here. Move this shit. See, I move this stuff. Okay, there it is. There it is. Let's see. There it is, right there. You can barely see it. Also, if you come inside, you can barely access it through the shifter cable hole. And you can barely even touch it in there. Another way to do it is jack it up, get the front on jack stands, unbolt your transfer case cross member, and we're going to drop it down. It should give us just enough room to reach our hands in there and get it. So yeah, we're on jack stands. I got my jack ready, and there's 4 bolts on each side. There. Okay, we got all our bolts out of the cross member. We're going to let it down slowly. Carefully. See how much. Oh yeah. I let her down all the way. Fuck it, we'll let her hang. We're just gonna let her hang. Shot. Alright, check it out here. I got my ratchet, about 2-3 feet of extension with an 11mm. Got our transfer case right there, and the nut, the bolt we need is right there. There's a sensor, there's a little thing that holds it in, and it's the wire loom up for the transmission. Alright, you gotta get up on top of it like that, all the way down there. Alright, I finally got it out. Here it is. You're gonna get dirty. You gotta reach all the way up there, elbow deep. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up that hole on the bell housing with a little bit of Scotch-Brite. Help slide the new part in. Okay, the new sensor's in. Now I just gotta bolt back the transmission and transfer case, and we'll get it started and see what it sounds like. Now I won't be able to tell if this fixes my problem or not until I get to drive it around for a week or so. But let's see how it starts. buds. Alright, so these original headlights are fading pretty bad and they're starting to separate. So I went ahead and bought some new ones on Amazon. They're only about 80 bucks. Let's go ahead and get them in. All you need is a 7mm. I just gotta swap over the bulbs. How's that for a difference? What a difference that made. Now we can do the back. So the main problem on these taillights are these sockets get all hot and warped and the plastic melts. And I was having that issue. These new smoked ones look great though. Well, that's about all we got time for tonight. It's going on midnight. I need to get to bed, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and catch us next time.